design a single page website using HTML5 and CSS3. So we are going to design a web page using HTML5 and CSS3. So this is a sample page. So we have to construct a page just like this. So I have already created a web page like this. So this is my web page which I am using HTML5 and CSS. So as you can see, first my title, then this is a menu bar, and this is another image. Within the image there is another one more box is there which having a translucent image here, and there are three thumbnails beneath here. When I hover on the pictures, it starts to clear out like that, and every picture is having a text over them. So now let me show you the source code of this. uh, so this is my source code with my title and my uh, this is my CSS file. I linked my CSS file. This is my CSS file here. So firstly let me show you, this is my div. So first, this is my complete div, this is another div, this is the third div, and this one is the fourth div here, this whole row. So in the first div I have just written a title, that is Amazon Go. As you can see here, this is my first div. The second div, this is the menu bar. The menu bar I have created an order list li. In each li there is an menu items which have given class ID also. That is a CSS file as2li. So it displays in inline with color little white and font size 22 px and margin right 20%. After that, this is another div container, class name container, and inside this container there is one more div with class name content. Okay, so for this container I have my CSS file is this. I have put the container background image as this one. This is background image is this one. This is this is the parent div, and inside this parent div, this is the child div, which you can see this text over the picture. So let me show you, that is the content. So in the content, let me show you the CSS file. This is the background color. Then I set the opacity as 0.6. Because of this opacity, it is slightly we can see through the picture. After that, uh, I have aligned the text in center and set the font size and set a box shadow also, padding position and top and left position also. So after this, this is the fourth div. This whole row you can see is a div, and inside this div, let me show you. This is the div row, and inside div there are three more div I have made, and in each div there are images and text. So for this div acts like this parent div acts like a row, and inside divs acts like a columns. So let me show you. This is a row display like table, and the content is null. And then for column, float left width 32%, padding 5 px, position and is related. For image I have made it it's with 100% and its opacity at 0.4 and made its position as relative. So I have made its opacity 0.4, so it will be at first will be like this, not completely visible, but uh, when I hover over it, it will be clearing out. So that is this is a code img hover. So when I hover over it, the transition is 1 second delay with ease. Then opacity becomes 1. That is, becomes completely clear. And I have given a border radius 12 px, which you can see the border radius is, this border is completely square right now. When I hover over it, it becomes curved. So that is this code. And after that, this text is another div in child div inside it. That is this one, this div. And for this div, the class name is d, and I have created this div which is float left position absolute and this is our rest of the attributes of that CSS file. So that's it. My HTML web page using HTML and CSS.